Welcome. Welcome to lead guitar and welcome to our first lesson on this course where I'm going to teach you how to play more than the basic chords or more than just the power chords that you already know to become a lead player, a lead guitarist of your band or the group that you play at. And for that, on this first lesson, I'm going to be talking about two very basic but very important subjects. The first is the notes. Yeah, musical notes. Where do you find the musical notes on your guitar? Don't worry if you don't know that yet. It is a little complicated. It's a little hard just to memorize at once. But actually, I'm going to teach you a very practical and very easy way to find all the notes of your guitar on your instrument, all of the strings. And after we do that, I am going to talk to you about the power chords. I imagine that you already know the basic power chords, these ones. But I'm going to teach you also power chords that we can play down here and all the way up that are actually the lead lines of guitars, right? Because lead guitar is not only about the guy that is soloing all the time, but there are actually lead lines throughout the song, right? Like not only that specific moment where the solo is, the lead guitar player plays the guitar, but actually throughout the song there are lead lines, and those are based a lot of times on power chords and the full extension of the neck of your guitar. Awesome. So let's dig in.